Kristen. Ah. Santa brought you the stocking.
Where's it at?
You gonna get the stocking? No? Where you going?
Start pulling. Start pulling. Show them how you can pull. Go ahead. Start pulling.
There's George.
What?
Get out of here, George.
Pull. Yeah, let's do it.
Oh, there goes the tablecloth. Oh, there it goes. No?
Wait a minute. There. Here. Pull your own. No. Put that up there, Norm. And that way he
You
can
think
walk.
that's going to stop him?
Yeah, he walks all the way around the table. Here. Here. Put it on the floor. Throw it on the floor.
Get that out of here.
Go see Romesburg.
Oh, look at your shoes. Whoops.
Up, man down.
He gets back up.
Oh, excuse me.
I don't need your help. I'm the big boy.
He's independent.
Well, going to get your chin.
Yeah, you better watch your
We
chin,
got that
boy.
all last night. He misses it every time, just barely. I'm not sure how. That was close right there.
I think he's discovered that crawling is a little faster at times. Where's the baby? Where's Christian? Christian. There you are. There you are.
Well, he popped right around.
Hi.
He loaded right along.
Hi.
Say bye-bye.
Uh-oh.
What are we doing?
I know what you're doing.
That doesn't sound good.
What are you doing? Walking around the table. Here's my feet walking. There I go. Round in circles. Going.
Never stops.
Get out of here, George. Get George off the table. Get out of here, George.
Did you bring George?
Yep. Up. Get going.
I'm gonna fall over that.
Here comes Nunny. She's gonna give you the stocking. We'll give the baby the stocking.
How's he motivating without his blanket? He said, this ain't right.
Lord,
Are you grunting? Are you grunting? Are you pooping? Okay, baby.
All right, Christian.
Look. Oh.
Look what Santa Claus brought for you. Look what you have from Santa Claus. Here, get your hands in here. Pull something out.
Get in there. What's in there?
Come on, grab it.
Get down in there.
Gladys?
Pull it. Oh! Look how fun!
Looky. Look at that. Isn't that
That's
cute?
so funny.
Let go now. You like that one? Yeah. Here, look at
Throw it
here.
on the floor.
Another one. Dip your hands
What
in.
else is in there?
Come on. Here, get the other one. There's more. Here, put this one down and get the rest of them. Here.
No.
CJ.
That's my new toy. It's
Christian.
not CJ and it's not
Christian.
PJ. It's Christian.
Sure, Christian.
Pharmacy.
Okay,
Okay,
take this one. Here, looky. There's some
Get in
more.
there.
Look.
What else is in there?
Have to reach down a bit further.
Get down in there. Dig deep.
Here we go. Oh, look at this
Oh,
one.
look, I got some cars.
Look at that.
All right.
And we
Another
call
one
for
cars.
babies. Look at that one. Another one. We're going to have a wreck. We're going to have a wreck with all these cars. Yes, look at that. Look how to put your eye out. And look what else we have.
Oh my goodness.
A milk wagon.
More cars.
And then we have...
Santa brought you all kinds of cars.
Wow.
Oh.
Look at
OMG.
Look, Daddy, and MG or whatever it is.
You got the hiccups.
And look at this. He has his own cell phone.
Look what else you got.
Look, Daddy. Look, Daddy.
Now just play with the sock.
Here. Look. I have to turn it on.
He's got it. Give it to him.
No, I didn't turn this on.
Yeah.
It does something.
It's blinking on
But
top.
it vibrates, and I can't make it do it.
We'll just hand it to him. Let him
Here.
play with it.
Here. Say, hello. It's a
Call
telephone.
Daddy.
Hello.
Call Dada.
He said, that doesn't look like a cell phone to me.
Call him.
And then, look at this.
Look,
Last Christmas.
Little
your
feminine.
pretty stocking.
There we go.
Little feminine.
Look
Let
at
us
that.
see it.
It's a little
Oh,
feminine looking, but
so pretty.
Elegante.
it's a family stocking. You can see. Yes. Whoa. Oh, I'll give you the box. He's came and you'll have a really good time. How about that, huh? And here's this here.
He's not throwing them on the floor.
That's a
Give him
truck.
that.
I'm driving him.
I don't know how to make this. Oh, it's doing that now for some reason.
On the side, maybe?
Oh, the back there. I don't know. I made it vibrate. See if you can figure out how to do it. There we go. Oh, say, day safe. What do you
Got
say,
your
big
hiccup?
boy? Hmm? Ooh, make it go.
Mmm, yummy card.
Wake up, Dad.
Wake up
Up.
and turn your knees here. Here we go, Bubba. Here.
Bubba.
That's
Bubba.
what Victoria called her, Bubba. Say, what do you call him? He said, here's Bubba.
Oh my God, which one to play with first?
I know.
Oh, he's in a dither.
Oh.
Wait a minute, did Frankie call?
Yeah, he called and said he's on standby.
No, did he call yet? Did he
Yeah, he said a half hour, 45 minutes. I'll call you back and let you know.
Let me know what.
What do I know? It might be snowing down Dallas. It's crazy weather.
No, they're probably backed up.
Or with his